So hello folks, in this video we are going to learn about links and images. So links and images are very much important for any web app. There can be hardly any website where you haven't seen links and images, right? So let's see these two tags in the code. So I've opened tutorials folder and under that index.html file for you guys. So my local server is running on 5500. I'm using live server extension, guys. So let's start. I'll remove this div entirely because we don't need it for now. And I'll create a new div. Now here I'm creating an anchor tag. This is what we need for creating a link in our website. This is called anchor tag. So I'll write here GitHub. And then here we have certain properties. For example, we have href. So this href will throw the user to the given URL. For example, here I'll write https colon slash slash github.com slash wikishow 29. Right. So let's see on the web app. I'll go to the browser and you can see a link called GitHub. What happens when I click on this? As you can see, it is loading and then it has opened github.com slash wikishow29. But did you notice one thing? That it has replaced the URL, but this is not the thing. This is not the expected behavior. It should open in a new tab, keeping my active tab remain same. So what do we need to do for that? What we need to do basically is we have another prop on anchor tag called target equals to underscore blank. What this target equals to underscore blank will do is it will throw the user entirely to a new tab, keeping his old or his active tab same. So I'll save it. I'll open the browser again. I'll click on GitHub. So now, as you can see, it has opened a new tab for me, right? So this is pretty much it for the anchor tag, guys. Now we will move with images, right? So for example, like images tag are represented by img, and this is self-closing, guys. And we have an src prop. So here we need to put a link. So what I'll do is I'll simply go to Piscom Photos and then I'll copy this URL for getting a dynamic image. I'll cut this. I'll go back to my code, VS Code, and then I'll paste the link here. As you can see, this is showing us an image. Now it will show a different image each time, guys, because a link which will generate a random image each time. Now, if I remove any of these things, for example, if I remove S from here, now what do we expect to see? We see at this icon. There is a convention, and this is very important that we should use alt tag along with the images. So if the given image link is not found, it will trigger the alt. So if, for example, if I write here logo, click on save, open the browser again, you can see the logo here. Right. Guys, I'm not showing CSS for now because we are still on HTML part. Right. So I'll just make it back to the thing it was, photos, and we see the image. Right. So this is it for image tag, guys. There can be certain styles implemented on this. For example, if we can have inline styles like styles equals to we can have width equals to 500 pixels. This will increase. We can have a lot of things, guys, like border equals to 2 pixels of solid red, maybe. As you see, it has got a border. I don't know why this is loading. Okay, yeah. So it has come, right? So we have a certain styles to be implemented along with the styles, but this is inline styles. Just ignore it for now because we haven't entered in the CSS yet. So I'll write the comment again saying the a tag or anchor tag used to embed link on your website. Another thing, guys, is image tag represented by img tag. So used to show image on your website. Right. there is one more thing, guys, I would like to show you. You can directly provide width and height to this image tag. You can write here, for example, 500 pixels, and here you can write 200 pixels. I'll open the browser. As you have seen, it has taken the width 500 pixels and height of 200 pixels. This is it for this video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.